volts. Last question of the round. In a Compton effect experiment, X-rays are scattered off nearly free electrons. Find the Compton shift for a scattering angle of pi. Yes, Precious.
4.86 picometers.
Yes. And that's... Find the Cartesian equation in X. In X and Y from the equations. X is equal to 6 multiplying tangent of t, and Y is equal to 8 multiplying secant of t. Yes, Excel?
A fraction with numerator x squared and denominator 36 plus 1 is equal to a fraction with numerator y squared and denominator 64.
Yes.
30 seconds. If f of x equals x cubed minus ax squared plus bx plus 8 is divisible by x minus 2 and x plus 2, find a and b. Presbyterian boys.
A equals 2 and b equals -4.
Yes. 30 seconds. Find the inverse of the linear transformation T of xy given as 2x plus 3y, comma, x plus 2.
T
Yes.
inverse of x comma y maps onto 2x minus 3y, comma, -x plus 2y.
Yes. What resource would plants in a rainforest most likely compete for? Presbyterian boys.
Sunlight.
Sunlight. Next 30 seconds, given that 0.084 moles of a compound A2B3 weighs 12.6 grams, determine the atomic mass of element A if the atomic mass of element B is 18 grams per mole. Presbyterian boys.
48 grams per mole.
Yes, that's correct. What is the total number of atoms in one formula unit of the simplest compound that can be formed between two elements with 6 and 3 electrons in their valence shell? Presbyterian boys.
5.
5.
Sodium tetraborate decahydrate, commonly known as borax, is used in various household products such as detergents, toothpastes, and cosmetics. How many milligrams of sodium are in 76.2 milligrams of borax, given its molecular formula as Na2B4O7.10H2O? Precious.
9.20 milligrams.
Yes. Next one. What volume of oxygen is required for the complete combustion of 1.00 mole of butanone at STP? The molar? Yes.
It is given as 123 decimeter cube.
Yes.
Determine the mass of 500.0 cubic centimeter solution of 0.400 mole per decimeter cubed sodium perchlorate, NaClO4. Yes, Presbyterian boys.
T. The mass is 24.5 grams.
Correct. Phosphorus reacts with oxygen to produce phosphorus pentoxide according to the reaction P4 plus O2 going into P2O5. Calculate the minimum mass of phosphorus needed to produce 0.400 mole of phosphorus pentoxide. Yes, PRESEC.
24.8 grams.
Correct. We continue. Calculate the sum of atoms in the empirical formula of a hydrocarbon given that its molecular formula contains 9 carbon atoms and its molar mass is 126. Yes, PRESEC.
Then 3.
Correct. 2 sound sources produce notes of 250 Hz and 255 Hz. Find the frequency. Yes, Presbyterian boys.
5 beats per second.
5 beats
Per second.
incorrect. Ashaman.
5.0 hertz.
Incorrect. Produced when the 2 notes are sounded together. Yes, Achimota.
253 hertz.
Incorrect. So it is 5 Hz.